Hey everyone. Hey, I have this Gen 1 La Pavoni, the 1.7 actually. This one is steam valve stem and with the Bakelite on it. Now these old ones have actually a set screw in there. This one has just a basic slotted set screw, so you can undo it with a screwdriver. But this uh, is not just pushed in, it's threaded in. So there's some confusion about that. And for me too, I initially didn't know that it was threaded, but I've already got this started and you can see the threads there. But one solution they said was get a wrench that doesn't mar the stem and hold it as you do this. But I was looking at this top threaded portion and I was like, well, I wonder what those threads are. And they're M10 1.0 pitch threads. So you could just get two nuts and thread those onto that section there, and then use the nuts locked together to actually turn this, which is what I did. I definitely couldn't do it by hand. You definitely need to put it in a vise. I just put it in a vise gently here and tried to protect the Bakelite with that. And then once you get that on there, you can turn this to get that out. I might be able to turn it by hand now, but it's quite tight even as it's coming out here. So let's see how far I'm going. You're going counterclockwise too, of course, here, but I don't even think I can do this by hand yet. Yeah, it's just too tight. Anyway, I'm gonna finish unthreading that. You can see it there, and change this out. I ordered from La Machina de Cafe website in Italy, and ordered some other stuff. So I got some burrs for my 43 millimeter burrs for an old grinder I have. Anyway, another interesting thing is this other, I don't know how this could be, but this other brass screw was completely deformed. I don't know if you can see it here, but look how deformed that is. It got pushed into a cone shape almost, compared to the bottom one. It's still flat. Kind of crazy. I have no idea, but this is really degrading. It was shredding even. So I'm happy to get one ordered and change this out. Anyway, just wanted to show this tip on how to do these Gen 1 stems, removing the Bakelite handle with the threaded connection there. All right, thanks for